DeepSeek R1 briefly claimed the #1 spot on the App Store, sending shockwaves through the AI world. But while everyone's buzzing about how it's challenging ChatGPT, security experts are raising serious red flags about something buried in their privacy policy. Today, I'm showing you how to harness this AI powerhouse without compromising your data. I've discovered 2 methods to use DeepSeek R1 that completely bypass these privacy issues. The first one takes less than 60 seconds to set up, and the second one gives you even more control. But before we get into that, let's quickly talk about what's actually happening with your data when you use DeepSeek's website or app. Here's their privacy policy. Looks pretty standard, right? But watch this. I'm going to drop this into Grok and ask it to break down what we should be worried about. Here's the first red flag. They're collecting keystroke patterns and rhythms. Not just what you type, but how you type it. This creates a unique biometric fingerprint that's far more invasive than what ChatGPT collects. Second, and this is crucial, everything gets stored on servers in China, where companies must share data with the government when asked. No questions, no pushback allowed. Unlike US companies that can challenge government requests, Chinese companies have no legal path to refuse. Third, they'll keep your data as long as necessary, which basically means forever. No specific time frame, no clear deletion policy. Compare that to ChatGPT, which keeps free user data for just 30 days. For creators and researchers, this matters more than you might think. Every prompt, every idea, every piece of content you generate becomes potentially accessible to others. That brilliant business concept or creative project, it's not just yours anymore. Fortunately, there's a clean workaround that gives you DeepSeek's power without the privacy headache. Perplexity.ai. Perplexity has essentially taken DeepSeek R1's engine and hosted it on US servers, giving you the best of both worlds. Powerful reasoning with Western privacy standards. Think of it as having a high-security vault for your queries. Setting this up is ridiculously simple. First, head over to Perplexity and create an account or login. Once you're in, look for this drop-down menu right here. Click on it and you'll see Reasoning with R1. That's DeepSeek's model. Select it and you're ready to go. Let me show you what this beast can do with a real-world example. Is Tesla stock a good buy right now? You can see DeepSeek R1 is thinking through this step by step. This is called chain of thought reasoning, and it's not only great to see how AI is thinking about your problem, but it can also help you improve your prompts. Notice how it's searching through multiple sources, analyzing recent performance data, examining expert opinions, and considering technical factors. And here's the result, a comprehensive analysis with a chart, recent developments, and a balanced verdict. Every claim is backed by sources you can check yourself. Just hover over these citations. Let's try something more complex. I'll ask, what are the top 3 emerging AI tools for content creators in 2025? Analyze their potential impact on the creator economy. Notice how it's searching both web and social sources. It's finding real user feedback from places like Reddit, not just marketing materials. The result gives us 3 trending tools with detailed analysis of each, plus broader implications for creators. This kind of comprehensive research would take hours to compile manually. If you want to refine your search, you can use this edit button to modify your query without starting over. Now let's talk about access. Perplexity gives you 3 free DeepSeek R1 searches per day, which is perfect for testing it out. For unlimited access, their Pro plan is $20 per month. That's a fraction of what you'd pay for ChatGPT's reasoning model, which costs $200 monthly, and doesn't even include web search yet. There are some limitations to be aware of. This integration is optimized for search queries, not general chat. It's not the full 671B parameter model that DeepSeek offers. You're limited to Perplexity's interface rather than DeepSeek's native one. But for most research and analysis tasks, these limitations are far outweighed by the privacy benefits and search capabilities. For researchers, content creators, and anyone who needs deep analysis of current information, this combination is absolutely game-changing. DeepSeek R1 on Perplexity gives you the power of DeepSeek's reasoning with US-based privacy protection, real-time web search combined with step-by-step analysis, comprehensive research with multiple sources and citations, all at a fraction of the cost of comparable AI reasoning tools. If you're serious about privacy and want complete control, there's an even more secure option, running DeepSeek R1 locally on your own machine. Your data never leaves your computer. It's slightly more technical, but I'll break it down so simply that anyone can do it. And once you set this up, you'll have something even the paid users don't have: complete data sovereignty. Thanks to a tool called Ollama, this process is now surprisingly straightforward. First, head over to Ollama.com, click the download button for your operating system. Run the installer just like any other program. Once installed, you'll need to open your terminal or command prompt. Now we need to choose which version of DeepSeek to install. Let's go to the Ollama library to see our options. Here, you'll see all the available DeepSeek R1 models. Each listing shows the model size and the command to install it. DeepSeek offers several model sizes to match your hardware capabilities. The number in each model name represents its parameter count. Higher numbers mean more powerful AI, but require better hardware. For most home setups, I recommend the 7B model as it strikes a good balance between performance and resource requirements. If you're working on a basic laptop, go with the 1.5B version. Power users with gaming PCs or workstations can take advantage of the larger models for more impressive results. Try what you think is best, and if you find it's too slow, use a smaller model. For this demo, I'll install the 7B model. Once downloaded, you'll see a prompt where you can start typing. Let's try a reasoning question. Compare the advantages and limitations of running DeepSeek R1 locally versus using the web version. Watch how it processes this locally on my machine. Notice how it's thinking through the problem step by step, just like the online version, but everything is happening right here on my computer. No data is being sent anywhere. If you're not comfortable using the terminal, there's a much more user-friendly option using an app like ChatBox.ai, which offers a chat-like interface similar to ChatGPT. To install, go to ChatBox.ai and download the application. Install it like any other program. Open ChatBox. Then select Ollama from the provider dropdown. Choose the DeepSeek model we just installed. Now, you can chat with DeepSeek through this clean interface. This gives you all the benefits of local AI with a much nicer chat experience. Running DeepSeek locally gives you complete privacy, since your data never leaves your computer. It works offline, has no usage limits, and you'll never face server outages. The trade-off? You'll need decent hardware, won't have web search capability, and these smaller models aren't quite as powerful as the full online version. So which approach should you use? If you need web search and current information, go with Perplexity. If maximum privacy is your priority, run it locally with Ollama. Either way, you're getting DeepSeek's impressive capabilities without the privacy concerns. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense AI guides like this. I'll see you on the next one.